when you don't have a good profile and you apply to the universities and you don't have a strong profile, they already have picked the people who are stronger than you. So you don't. Are you anyone who is applying for the fall 22 cycle in the next year? And are you confused? Like, should I apply in December right now, or like should I wait for the next application cycle, which is in January? And should I apply in the early deadline or the second deadline? I'll be answering all of these questions in this video. So if you're interested, keep watching. So hi guys, my name is Rijul and I'm a Masters in Data Science student at UCI this fall. And in this video, I'll be talking about should you apply for the next fall 22 right now, like in December, or you should go and wait till January, till the second application deadline to actually apply. And we'll be considering a lot of factors here, including cost, fees, as well as competitiveness, as well as like early action, early rejection, and early decision deadlines here. So it is a full-fledged video of you, and I know like all of you are stressed right now about like should I apply right now in the first application deadline or should I not? So let's answer them. But what is early action? So early action is basically right now it is December 7th here in the US, and if you are going for the early action, December 15 will be the maximum deadline which you can like go into. And early action is basically if you apply to this December 15, they'll be giving out your decisions like very early. Like if other applicants apply in January, they may get the decisions by April or May. You may get it by February or March. So early action is always considered a better option in my mindset, because you can apply as early as you can, but there are like various things you should consider while applying early. So first let us discuss that. So first question you need to ask is, do you have a clear-cut choice? For example, if you want to go to NYU, and if you have a clear-cut choice that, hey, I only want to go to NYU and this is the dream college which I want to get into, then apply early, because like you are only aiming at one college. But if you have like 50 colleges which you will be applying to early decision, then it will not make any sense, because you have to decide that, hey, you can only apply to a handful in the early decision deadline, because you can't take LORs of like 30-40 universities in just a single week. You cannot like send the GRE and IELTS score of 50 universities like in a single week. You cannot. So you have to like prioritize here, which university is my most dedicated, which university can I get into, which university is my dream university, and apply to that. The second factor here is the most important factor, which is the competitiveness of your application. For example, अगर GRE में अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं है, IELTS में अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं है, तो कोई पॉइंट नहीं जल्दी अप्लाई करने का. एंड बिकॉज अगर जल्दी अप्लाई करना है या लेट अप्लाई करना है, अगर किसी के 340 GRE में होंगे, वो अभी अप्लाई करे या वो जनवरी में अप्लाई करेगा, उसका एडमिशन हो जाएगा, मतलब उसके चांसेस बढ़ जाएंगे एडमिशन होने के. सो इट डज़ नॉट मैटर व्हेन यू अप्लाई राइट नाउ और लाइक इन जनवरी. इफ़ यू हैव अ competitive profile, it does not matter. If you don't have a very strong profile, it is very advisable to apply in the early decision deadline. When I applied to UCI, I didn't apply in the when I applied to the MSBA, I applied like way back after, and I also got an admit into the MSBA, though I chose the MSc in Data Science, but I also got an admit of the MSc in BA. For the MSc in Data Science, I applied in the first early deadline, because my GRE was 303, which is not very much. So I applied very early, because I know competitive applicants will be coming soon, and it is very advisable to apply early. अभी अप्लाई करना है तो तब करना है जब अब लगता है कि यार प्रोफाइल अच्छी नहीं है इतनी, और हमें जल्दी से जल्दी एप्लीकेशन अपनी भेजनी चाहिए. So apply then. To consider here is the financial aid. So not a lot of universities apply or like give financial aid when you apply early or apply late. So always check that, hey, if I'm applying early, will I get financial aid? If I am like applying very late and they need applicants, I might get a financial aid. So these two work in your favor right now. And always check the university and ask the university that if they give financial aid, at what time do they give the financial aid, and how much do they give, and plan accordingly. सो नाउ लेट मी आंसर द क्वेश्चन दैट हमें अभी अप्लाई करना चाहिए दिसंबर में या फिर हम लोग जनवरी में जाके अप्लाई करें. सो बेसिकली ये बात है कि अगर प्रोफाइल अच्छी नहीं है तो अभी अप्लाई कर दो, बिकॉज आपको वो एप्लीकेशन उनके सिस्टम में डलवानी है कि भाई हमने अप्लाई करा है. बिकॉज व्हेन यू डोंट हैव अ गुड प्रोफाइल एंड यू अप्लाई टू द यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड यू डोंट हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोफाइल, दे ऑलरेडी हैव पिक्ड द पीपल हु आर स्ट्रॉन्गर देन यू. सो यू डोंट स्टैंड अ वेरी गुड चांस. एंड इफ योर प्रोफाइल इज वेरी ग्रेट, एंड देन इट डजंट मैटर. If you apply in December, January, it doesn't matter, because anyways you're a strong candidate and they will be picking you up for an interview, or like you might be getting a good chance of getting into the university. So it doesn't not matter like if you're a very strong candidate with high GRE, IELTS score, work experience, internships, LORs and that all stuff. So it does not matter if you are a very strong candidate. So this is it for the video guys, and I hope you get a good understanding कि अभी apply करना चाहिए या जनवरी में. And if you have any questions, comment down below. I'll be very happy to help you, and yeah, you can connect me on Instagram and LinkedIn, and लेट्स कनेक्ट यार। और इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।